Question 1 is, good citizens treat others. Do good citizens treat others respectfully for the triangle in red? Or do good citizens treat others unfairly for the diamond in blue? Or do good citizens treat others unkindly for the circle in yellow? The blank lists the basic laws of our country. Is it the Pledge of Allegiance lists the basic laws of our country for the red triangle? Or is it the Constitution lists the basic laws of our country for the diamond in blue? Or is it the Star-Spangled Banner lists the basic laws for our country in the circle in yellow? A good citizen follows the rules and shows disrespect for the triangle in red, or a good citizen follows the rules and shows Mexico for the diamond in blue, or a good citizen follows the rules and shows responsibility for the circle in yellow. Which of the following men helped write the United States Constitution? You're going to use this picture to help with your answer. So who is this man that helped write the United States Constitution? Is he Benjamin Franklin for the triangle in red? Or is he James Madison for the diamond in blue? Or is this man John Smith in the circle for yellow? Who is this man who helped write the United States Constitution? The Constitution says everyone should be treated. Is it unfairly for the triangle? Is it equally for the diamond? Or happily for the circle? The Constitution says everyone should be treated what? Our Constitution protects our right to, is it recess for the triangle in red? Or is it privacy for the diamond in blue? Or our Constitution protects our right to money in the circle for the yellow button? Which one is our Constitution protects our right to?